I guess you wonder where I've been. Wonder where you wonder where I've
Bang.
wonder where you let you gotta wait for you. Gotta wait, I can't let. Gotta wait for you. Gotta wait, and I can't let you go. Wanna go, wanna go, wanna go, wanna go, wanna go, wanna go. Guess you wonder where I go, 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 go,
Okay, then.
go.
This is what it's looking like. I just. Oh wait, we gotta saute first. And then this is gonna stay hot when it's ready. Reheat it, and now I'm gonna add the Salisbury steak or the cube steak. We're not cooking it, we're only searing it. It looks like after I seared it, now I'm about to throw the signal mushrooms first, and then we'll scrape the bottom. That's for this a little. Okay, we turn. I'm gonna just do a half because I did full two. Okay, I did three cups. I added some parsley, thyme, rosemary, and a bay leaf, and now it's time to add our steak back in. All right, and that's in 3 cups of broth. And now it's time to put the lid on and cook it for about like. It while we let that sit, and place them in my little glass pan, and then add the cornstarch slurry. So I just used a little flour and I added some of the liquid in. Okay, all of it is inside. It was like 2 tablespoons. Just a little bit of. Not a little rich. It's getting a little thicker. All the steak are in, and it's just still simmering. I'm gonna do it probably for like 3 minutes and then turn it off. I don't know how to peel a potato. Just use a potato peeler. Find a bag or wherever. Just peel. Use a knife. My mom uses a knife. I'm not rolling this. I cut them up. That's it. Get off of the stove and drain it and then mash them up. I saw this way to do it and I haven't looked back since. You just put this on top and then drain it like that. Heavy cream and cream cheese to mine. I have my, so I added the cream cheese in. Hold on, baby. We're not going outside right now. I can't put your shoes on for you. Hold on. And then I'm going to put my my butter. But first, let's get this nice and creamy. No. Okay, so that's I turned it off. That should be good enough. Now I can have it. Got my little potato masher. Still a little bit hard, so it's not gonna melt as easy. Just another stick of butter going in. Or that was a half stick. So altogether it was probably like a full stick of butter. Okay, let's stop so I can churn my black pepper. Okay, a little bit of dill. I added black pepper and a little bit of salt already. Now add a little bit of dill. Of course, a little bit of parsley. Dedicate my time to the kids as they are absolutely losing it right now. So I'm trying to be as quick as can be. Oh, look at that melted butter. All right, and then we're gonna add in some sour cream and a little bit of the heavy cream, sour cream, garlic powder. Now let's try to mix it all around. Oh, I'm making a mess. Top it off with some chives. And then give it one last bit. Mashed taters.